In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this Studio Ghibli effect in a video of yourself or any video using AI. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And actually, this is a platform that you can try to create videos for just $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we're going to use the OmniFlash model. Now here, where it says describe your video, we're going to use this prompt that is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and upload our video. In my case, is this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months.
Now let's click here, and actually the video could be any type of video, and could be another AI video or a real video. So now let's click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but the Ghibli style looks really good. I personally like it a lot, the result. So if you want to do a video like this one, or like the others that I have here, I have many tutorials in my YouTube channel. And remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So you could do and try to create these videos for that, only $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.